How to light a 3D object? The easiest way to light a 3D object is to use the default tri-lighting feature in Blender. To enable this tri-lighting feature, click Edit, go to Preferences, type TRI and enable tri-lighting. Click on Save Preferences. Now let's add a 3D monkey. Shift A to add a monkey. Press Ctrl 2 to apply subdivision. Right click and shade smooth. To see your lighting, go to rendered view. You can hide the floor for a moment. Go to viewport overlays and uncheck floor. To see your proper lighting effect, turn world into totally black. Click world properties and change color to black. Right now you cannot see the Suzanne. Select the Suzanne, Shift A and select the 3-point lights. You can see a little bit effect of lighting. You can see the tri-lighting feature has already added 3 lights here: tri-lamp back, tri-lamp fill and tri-lamp key. Usually tri-lighting uses the traditional way of 3-point lighting, where the tri-lamp key behaves as a key light, which is the brightest light. Fill light, as the name suggests, removes the shadows created by the key light, and the tri-lamp back backlights the subject. From this lighting properties, you can increase the different parameters of lighting. From this tri-lighting creator properties, you can increase the height or decrease the height of the lights. You can also alter the distance of the light from the 3D object. You can set the base energy. To see the effects of the lights, you can go to rendered preview. Now let's change the base energy and see what effect it gives to the 3D object. Let's set the base energy to 20. Let's increase the height of the lights to 2 meters and increase the distance to 3 meters. You can also change the angles of the light. This is left angle, this is the right angle. Left angle is the key light, right angle is the fill light, and back angle is the backlight. You can also change the type of the key light. Here by default area light is selected. You can also change it to point light, sunlight is harsher, spotlight. You can also customize lighting by selecting the individual lights. For example, let's select the tri-lamp key and go to object data properties of light. Here spotlight is selected. You can change it to point, sun or area. Currently spotlight is selected, and you can adjust the color of the key light to any color you desire. You can increase the power of the light. If we disable our overlays, we can see how light is behaving to our 3D scene. You can individually adjust the properties of all 3 lights. There are also other advanced techniques of lighting which we will talk in the future. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.